Welcome to today's video. We're covering a surprising new development in the high-profile Idaho murder case, where a DoorDash driver is expected to testify as a surprise witness in the Bryan Kohberger trial. The trial of Bryan Kohberger, accused in the shocking Idaho murder case, has taken an unexpected turn. A DoorDash driver has been called to testify, surprising many who have been following the case closely. Bryan Kohberger stands accused of the brutal murders that shocked the nation and left the community devastated. The trial has been full of intense moments and new evidence emerging regularly. But the addition of this new witness could add an important piece to the puzzle. According to sources close to the case, the DoorDash driver was in the area around the time of the crime. Investigators believe that his testimony may provide crucial details about movements, timelines, or suspicious activity that could impact the outcome of the trial. The DoorDash driver reportedly made deliveries near the crime scene and may have witnessed something unusual or important. While details about what he might say are being kept under wraps to protect the integrity of the trial, the defense and prosecution teams are both preparing to question him thoroughly. This witness's presence is notable because it introduces a new perspective outside of the usual circle of suspects, family, or forensic experts. It also highlights how everyday people, like delivery drivers, can sometimes hold key information in high-profile criminal cases. Fans and followers of the trial have expressed surprise and curiosity about what the DoorDash driver might reveal. Some speculate he could confirm or contradict other witnesses' accounts, while others think he may shed light on the suspect's movements or behavior on the night in question. Legal experts say that surprise witnesses can sometimes sway a trial's direction by introducing fresh evidence or creating doubt about previous testimonies. But they also warn that witness credibility and the relevance of their statements will be carefully scrutinized by the jury. The addition of this DoorDash driver underscores the complexity of the case. It shows that investigators are leaving no stone unturned and are willing to bring in all possible witnesses to establish the truth. Bryan Kohberger's defense team has so far denied his involvement and aims to challenge the prosecution's narrative. How this new testimony will fit into their strategy remains to be seen. As the trial continues, every new development is closely watched by the public and media. The stakes remain high, with the lives of the victims and their families at the center of the proceedings. In the coming days, the court will hear from the DoorDash driver, and both sides will present their arguments about the importance of his testimony. Viewers and supporters will be waiting to see how this surprise witness influences the case. This moment reminds us how even ordinary people can become part of extraordinary stories and how justice depends on gathering every possible fact. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for updates as this important trial unfolds.